Hello everybody! In this video, we will learn how to create an Instagram account. So let's begin. So first, make sure that you are connected with the internet. Then, open Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Instagram in the search field. Click Install. Then, wait until the download process is complete. If done, click Open Application. Click Create Account with email or phone number. If you want to sign up with phone, simply tap and go to your phone number. And if you want to sign up with email, simply tap and go to your email. Tap Next. After that, enter your name and password. Add your birthday. Click Next. Click Next. Click Register. If you want your Instagram account private, click Private. If not, you can click Public. In this button, you can edit your Instagram account. In this button, you can post your photo on your Instagram account. And this button, you can send message with fellow Instagram users. So, hope it has helped you in creating an Instagram account on your phone. Thank you!